actually. So let's do a little Qi Gong in the morning, and then we will start with relaxing the body. Head relax, neck relax, shoulders relax, chest relax, abdomen relax, back relax, relax head all the way to the feet. I'd like you to pay attention more to your feet. The energy ground down. So when at the feet level, well, we are wearing shoes. So not wearing shoes is great too. But your mind has to think about the energy passing all the way through to the ground, whether there's shoes or no shoes. So back a step, like breathe in, feel the nose, breathe out the nose. Now drop the nose a little bit, breathe in, breathe out. Open the nose. Nice. Now breathe in, turn palm down, and then what we're going to do is we will wake up the yang meridian, and then we will drop the hand. Isn't that interesting? Breathe in, palm down. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. So when you drop the hands, you can breathe out, right? So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.